fishing. See if we can't catch a fish or two. Got Dax's bobber rod out. Dax is looking to catch some fish. I'm free jigging in the Intex Mariner 4. It's actually a really nice little boat. I've had it at multiple times. Oh, I just missed one right there.
Why?
Free jigging. I'm using a little minnow jig. Oh, Dax, reel. You got a reel, son. Dax has got one on. Here we go. There you go, Dax. There you go, Dax. He's got one. Good boy, Dax. Good job, Dax. Good job. Pull him into the boat. Let's pull him into the boat. Oh, that's a big one, too. Wow. Wow, that's a big one.
Yep. I got a big
That's a big one, Dax.
Yeah.
Whoa. Is that a big fish? You got him. Look. Dax with the fish. Dax with the fish.
Why are you taking that off?
Good job, Dax. Dax was just floating a little night crawler, and he got one. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. I was sticking it.
You got him. Good boy. You're the champ.
Yeah.
Remember, you got a reel too, okay?
Why?
Because that time you just tried to set the hook and you had so much slack. You got a reel.
Why?
Because.
Why was that? Why the
Should we put another worm on there, huh?
Yeah. I need to use the worm.
You need another worm? Okay.
I got the worm already.
Okay, let's see. Just don't play with that. Remember, we talked about that. That's your drag. You can't play with that. You're going to lose fish if you mess with this. So I had it set right where it needed to be. It's got to be tight. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to throw it back out there for you. Okay. You watch your bobber. Good boy. Good job. Good job.
I got you on.
Good job. So Dax's bobber out. Yeah, like I said, I'm throwing a little minnow jig. Sometimes I like that presentation. I might switch up to my hand-tied jigs. Let's see what happens.
Yep.
But this is getting it done.
Yeah, I think that.
As always, I'm on that Whitebird Favorite. Really nice rod. With that Okuma reel and a 2-pound test. So, see if we can't get another fish here.
Dad, I love you.
I love you too, son. No, you're my sunshine.
You're my sunshine.
I had a bite, so when I get a bite, they pull it down.
Mine's going to go down soon.
Yeah, your bobber will go down soon, you think? Oh, he hit it so hard.
Dad.
What?
That's a spider.
It's not a spider, it's just a bug.
No, it's a spider. I want to feel it.
Squish it. Push it. Get him. Hit him. Hit him again. There you go.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Actually, it's my dad.
All right. So the way I fish this, I just let it kind of drop a few feet, especially if they're on the surface, and then I just kind of bounce it, and then I line watch. I'm looking for little twitches on my line like that. Oh, missed him again. Missed him again.
It's a missing hammer.
Oh,
It's away.
I keep missing them. See, they keep pulling my minnow down.
Why?
Now, when I miss them, they pull my minnow down. That's just what happens. Hey, keep your rod pointed that way. Reel a little bit so you can get your slack up. Yep, just a little bit more. Good boy. That's good. Reel more. Good job. Man, I'm missing them left and right. I don't know what's going on here. Dax hasn't got a bite in a while. The other day we were here, it was worms, but out on the boat today, seeing if we can't get it done. There he is. There he is. He's a jumper. And that's why I like fishing 2-pound tests. Wow. Wow. There we go. Oh, he came out a couple times. I really hope we got that on camera. That's awesome. He slammed it. He sideswiped it. That's why I'm missing them, because they're sideswiping it. And then I just tossed it back. Dax, reel. Oh, what happened? Why'd you reel up? You didn't have a fish. Your bobber has to go down, like last time. Here you go.
Okay.
I drifted a little bit, so I'm gonna have to move us back. Have to row us back a little bit. So. Well, we gotta let the people on the bank fish too. We gotta share. So we just have to drift. Try to pull the boat back over here. No, it's not a fish. Reel a little bit. No. Okay, reel. No. Just let it sit. Okay, perfect. You're right in the zone though. Because if there's going to be a fish, it's going to be right there. So just watch your bobber. If it goes down, you got a fish, remember? No, not going down yet. Oh, missed him again.
Why does he missing him?
I don't know. They like this minnow jig.
Why is he missing him?
Yeah, I really like this minnow jig for bass, crappie, perch. It's the best. We'll go out the front of the boat here. We'll just bounce this. Hey, stop reeling. Because you gotta let it sit, son. Oh, I didn't mean to. Hey, open your bail. Open your reel. Yep. Keep all the way. Turn it all the way. Good. Just let out some line. Lift up your rod. Lift up your rod and drop back down again. Okay. Now flip that bail back. Close it. Good job. Reel a little bit. Reel. Turn it. Keep going. Good. Might be a little close there. We'll reset you just a second here. No, not yet. We'll go move over to this direction. Dax is going to take over the YouTube and guide business when he's my age. When he's older than me. When he's 21, he gets out of high school, he's going to take over the guide business, have his own boat. Don't jig it. Let's sit. Just watch that bobber. That bobber goes under, you got a fish, remember? Okay, now what I do, the real cool thing would be is if I found that minnow jig again. I've got another one, but it's not the same head.
There's a sky.
Careful, don't jig your bobber. Just let it sit patiently. Pay attention. You gotta see what's going on. You gotta watch that.
There's on the channel on the mountain.
Oh, subscribe to the channel on the mountain.
Why I push the button? Beep.
Watch your bobber, Dax. Oh, watch! Look at your bobber. Don't look at me. Look at your bobber. What's your bobber doing? Okay. Get ready. Get ready. It's probably gonna be a big one, so just get ready. Yep, look. Don't look at me. Look at your bobber. Watch that bobber. Oh, he may have taken your worm, son.
I got see.
Well, hold on. Let's just wait. See if he bites it one more time. Let me tie this on, and then we'll see. Okay? We'll take a look together. He was all over that, though.
Why?
I don't know. He just was. Dax, look at your bobber. Look at your bobber. What's it doing? Why is it wiggling? Watch it. Don't look at me. Look at your bobber. Reel. Get ready to reel. Get ready to reel. Get ready to reel. That bobber goes down. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Reel. Wait. He doesn't have it anymore. Reel. Oh, reel. He got it. Is he there?
Yeah.
Yep. You got him. And Dax got. Oh, did he get off? No. He's still there. Dax got another one before I got back in the water. You gotta like and subscribe. Okay, hold on. Don't reel. Dad's trying to tie a knot. No more reeling. Hold on. That is number 3 for Dax. Wow. Wow, Dax, you are slaying it. We drifted back over here a ways. Have a seat back on the thwart. There you go. That is 3 for Dax. You're slaying it, dude. Okay, hand me your pole. You need it. Okay. What do you think? You gonna get another one?
Yeah.
Are you a professional?
Yeah.
Professional fisherman?
I just go back. Wait, that's you. You fish. Daddy, you fish. Daddy, you're the fish.
Look, that guy's got a fish.
Daddy, you're the fish. Daddy, you're the fish.
I'm the fish? Wait a second. That is not how that works. No more reeling. Don't reel because you're on the tip.
You fish. You're the fish, Dad. Daddy, the fish.
Yep. I'm a big proponent of get your kid the fish and reel that he's gonna fish with. Don't start him with a cheapo. And sometimes it's great, but man, start him with the right one. Start him with the one that's gonna get him on fish. And especially if it's something that he think they're gonna like a lot, he or she. And there's a channel. You're right. Okay, let's get you out there, huh? Okay. What do we gotta do? We gotta watch. What do we have to watch? Well, the bobber. Watch your bobber here. Here's your fishing pole. Watch that bobber. Because. Oh, Dax! What's going on? Where's your bobber, dude? Reel. There can only be one thing, son. Is he there? You got him, dude. I can't even get in the water. Is he still there?
Yeah.
Nope, he's off. Here, let me see.
Why are you still off? Why are you still off?
Because you got to get ready. When that you got to watch that bobber, and when it goes down, you got to get on that fish. You know what I mean? You got to watch that bobber here. Reel a little bit.
Why?
So you're ready. Reel.
I
More. There you go. That's enough. Just be ready, okay? Okay. I've got a black hand-tied jig on. This didn't work last time. Maybe it'll work this time. My jig.
What are you talking about?
My jig.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Stop.
Are you watching your bobber? You're gonna get bit again. Be ready. Man, the hand-tied jig not getting any love today. Dax, where's your bobber? Dude, what do you got to do? You know what to do. Dax, what do you got to do when the bobber goes down? What are you doing? Reel it. Real fast. Get him. You got him? Oh, yeah, you got him. Yes, you still have a fish on. Good job. Wow, he's fighting hard. Let me see. Yep, hang on to the rod. Please don't let go of the rod. Here. Thank you. Good job. That is what, number 4 for Dax? That's crazy.
That's me number 4 and number 13 number 4.
That is crazy, son. That is crazy. I can't even get in the water, let alone catch fish.
Why are you gonna go in the water?
Because you keep catching all the fish. Look at that little grin. Look at that little grin. You keep catching all the fish. I'm the fish. What? I'm the fish? That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Let me turn us again, move us a little bit. John, what are you supposed to do?
No.
Okay, so this time, when you can't see your bobber, what do you got to do? Reel it in, that's right. I ain't going to tell you. You got to learn. You got to do it. You're a professional. Stop. Don't play with the reel because you're going to hurt the tip. Here. Let's see. All right. Watch your bobber. You're going to get bit like right away, dude. Like it's going to be quick. Like I don't even know if I'm going to even have time to get out there and catch one because you're going to catch one so fast. It's like not even, you're just too good. You're just too good, Dax. You're too good. Oh, I finally can get on a fish. He's a jumper. He's a toad. Wet my hands here. Grab the fish. Watch your bobber, Dax. And another nice fish. Here he goes. I'll change you in just a second. Let's get 2 more.
But I need the changer.
Yes. Oh! I watched that one hit it. That was crazy. Dang it. Oh, had to follow her all the way up to the boat. He followed it all the way up to the boat, Dax. Because that's what they do. Don't worry about reeling, because I'm just gonna drift us back here. So you don't need to reel. You're fine. You're in good shape. All right. Let's see if we can't get you another fish, huh? Catch another one?
Yeah.
Catch all the fish?
Yeah.
Here. Flip your bail, Dax. Will you flip your bail? Open it up. Yep.
Daddy,
Good job. Now you can close it. Okay, open your bail again, because you keep moving. Okay, but you're pulling your bobber. Open your bail. Okay, close your bail. Good job.
Daddy, that was spider.
What?
That's me. Down.
Okay, set it down.
And I get the fish on. Daddy, I'm hungry.
Hungry? Yeah, it's almost time to go home and have dinner.
Yeah, I'm gonna steal it.
I don't have any more sandwiches. But I think there's goldfish in the car.
I'm gonna go
There's some cereal. Dax, what's going on with your bobber?
on down.
Get ready. What do you gotta do?
Woman.
Reel. Oh, he's off. Let it drop. Reel. Get him. He's off again. Drop, let it drop. Let's see if he comes back. Oh, get him. Oh, let it drop. Ah, it's too late. He ain't gonna come back right there next to the boat. There's no way. Here, let me cast it back out for you. Do you want it right there? I don't think he's gonna bite it right there. It's gotta be a little away from the boat.
Let's try.
Like, the fishing's good, but I don't know if it's that good. Here, let me recast it for you real quick. Here. Let me recast it so you catch one. Let me see. Let me see.
No!
All right, here. Okay, we're almost done. Dax, you're going to catch a fish in probably like 3 seconds. Quit yelling that. Stop. Dax, look at the bobber. Yep, start reeling. Okay, that's enough. Now, pull back hard. Set the hook. There you go. You got to pull back hard. There you go. You got him. See if we can get doubles. It's another one. Here. Let's see. Whoa. Hang on to the pole. While you're dropping it, don't drop the fishing pole. That's another little... You want to kiss it?
No.
Alright.
What do I do?
Can you say see you later?
See you later.
Say keep going,
Keep going.
keep growing,
Keep going.
and keep fishing.
Keep fishing.
Good boy.